Gunpowder is one of the most influential inventions in human history. Its discovery transformed warfare, mining, and construction, marking a major technological turning point that led to the development of firearms and artillery. But what exactly is gunpowder and how did it come to be? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating origins and production of this explosive substance that forever changed the course of history. Welcome to Science of Simple Things, where everyday objects turn into extraordinary discoveries. Here, we break down the hidden science, surprising history, and clever ideas behind the simple things that shape our world. And if you enjoy uncovering the magic in the everyday, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay curious with us. Gunpowder, also known as black powder, is a chemical mixture made from three main ingredients: saltpeter, charcoal, and sulfur. Each component plays a vital role in the explosive reaction that occurs when gunpowder is ignited. Saltpeter, or potassium nitrate, acts as the oxidizer, supplying the oxygen needed for combustion. Charcoal functions as the fuel, while sulfur lowers the ignition temperature and improves the efficiency of the reaction. Achieving the right balance between these ingredients is essential, and refining that balance took centuries of experimentation. The story of gunpowder begins in ancient China around the 9th century during the Tang dynasty. Chinese alchemists, while searching for an elixir of immortality, accidentally created this powerful mixture. At first, gunpowder was primarily used for fireworks and early weapons such as bombs and rockets. As trade and knowledge spread along the Silk Road, gunpowder made its way to the Middle East and eventually to Europe. By the late 14th century, it had become a key element of warfare, giving rise to cannons, handguns, and dramatic changes in military strategy. To understand how gunpowder is made, we need to look more closely at its ingredients. Saltpeter, the most critical component, occurs naturally in certain deposits or can be produced through chemical processes. In ancient times, it was often extracted from decomposing organic material rich in nitrates. Charcoal is created by heating wood in a low-oxygen environment, a process known as pyrolysis. This produces a porous material that ignites easily and burns rapidly. Sulfur is mined from the earth, often near volcanic regions, or obtained as a byproduct of other industrial processes. Once gathered, the ingredients are combined in precise proportions, traditionally about 75% saltpeter, 15% charcoal, and 10% sulfur by weight. Even small variations in this ratio can significantly affect performance. Each ingredient is first ground into a fine powder to increase surface area and ensure uniform combustion. The powders are then blended in a process called incorporation, which may be done dry or with moisture to reduce the risk of accidental ignition. After mixing, the gunpowder is dried and granulated into evenly sized particles. Granulation improves consistency and handling, and grain size directly influences burn rate. Smaller grains burn faster, while larger grains burn more slowly. In some production methods, the mixture is further refined through a process called corning. The powder is pressed into solid cakes, broken into grains, and dried again. This step increases stability and improves overall performance. Proper storage of gunpowder has always been essential. It is highly sensitive to heat, sparks, and friction, so it must be kept in sealed containers away from ignition sources. Historically, gunpowder magazines were built separately from other structures to minimize the damage caused by accidental explosions. Safety concerns were ever present, and many tragic accidents throughout history led to improved handling techniques and stricter regulations. The influence of gunpowder on warfare and society is difficult to overstate. Its introduction made traditional armor and fortified castles increasingly ineffective, fundamentally reshaping military tactics and power structures. Beyond the battlefield, gunpowder played a crucial role in mining, construction, and engineering projects. It also became a source of entertainment, most famously through the development of fireworks. Looking back, gunpowder stands as a powerful example of how a simple combination of materials can transform civilization. From its accidental discovery in ancient China to its lasting impact on warfare and industry, Gunpowder has left an unmistakable mark on human history. By understanding its composition, production, and influence, we gain a deeper appreciation for this remarkable invention.